Hey guys, Dr. Segal, UroCoach. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about testosterone replacement therapy in women. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Dr. Segal, UroCoach. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about testosterone replacement therapy in women. I'm going to hit all the highlights. Please first like, subscribe, comment. We want to hear what you guys want to hear us talk about. Okay, this is the first of a two-part series on testosterone replacement therapy in women. So the first thing I want to talk about is indications for testosterone replacement therapy in women. Why do it, okay? The first thing to know is that this is indicated for women that are postmenopausal. It is not indicated for premenopausal women, okay? And the reason for doing it is if these individuals have decreased libido, okay? Something called hypoactive sexual desire disorder. And there is a nice study from the New England Journal of Medicine that says that women that are postmenopausal that have HSDD or hypoactive sexual desire disorder have an increased incidence of satisfactory sexual events by 1 to 1.4 times per month. Okay, so it's a real phenomenon. It's something that can certainly improve women's sexual satisfaction after menopause. Now, one of the other important things to realize with testosterone replacement therapy in women is that if you talk to their male counterparts, the men will say, testosterone makes me feel more vital, it improves my sense of well-being, it improves my muscle mass. They'll go on and on about all these great things about testosterone replacement therapy. In women, that really hasn't borne out in any kind of data that we have. Really, the only indication for doing it is to increase the libido in individuals that are postmenopausal. The next thing I want to talk about with testosterone replacement therapy in women is the dosage. Now, this is very tricky, okay? For years, we've prescribed testosterone for men in a particular dosage form, and we'll start at that dosage and then titrate up and down as necessary. In women, obviously the dosage is a lot less, so it's easier to overshoot the initial dosage. Oftentimes what practitioners will do is they'll take a male formulated dosage and they'll decrease it by a certain amount and then administer that to women. Now, the thing that's different is that in men, we might check the testosterone levels a few months after administering the initial testosterone replacement therapy. In women, you have to be really diligent about checking these testosterone levels sooner. And we want to check the testosterone levels sooner because it's easier to overshoot because we are using typically male formulations. Now, why is that important? What are potential side effects if you overshoot on the medication? So, first of all, there can be androgenic side effects. Now, what are these? Androgenic side effects are male characteristics which most women do not want. So, deepening of the voice, increased hair production, mood changes, and that's why it's really important to be careful about the initial dose that is given to women and to check it more diligently than you would in a man. The other question we oftentimes get in regard to testosterone replacement therapy are what are the long-term side effects? And we know some of these long-term side effects for men, including the potential growth of prostate and breast cancers, potential cardiovascular risk, etc. We don't know this in women because the medication has not been administered long enough for us to have long-term studies to assess this. Specifically, we don't know the risk of potential future breast cancer. We don't know the risk of potential future cardiovascular risk. Also, it's important to realize that because the indication for testosterone replacement therapy in women that are postmenopausal is hypoactive sexual desire disorder, there are alternative treatments to treat this that are not testosterone replacement therapy. So specifically, couples therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, other medications or alternatives if you think about testosterone replacement therapy and you say, that isn't for me. Anyway, guys, I hope that's helpful to you in giving you a primer on testosterone replacement therapy in women. We certainly appreciate you listening. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you want to hear about. Thanks.